Hello! Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious lentil salad that is going to be perfect for hot summer days. So I hope you like it. So to get started, the ingredients that you're going to need are 2 cups of water, 1 cup of dry lentils, and half a cup of salsa. I'm using medium, but you could use mild or hot. And we're going to be cooking our dry lentils. And for the veggies, we're going to use 1 cup of diced tomatoes, 1 cup of red bell pepper, 1 cup of red onions, 1 lime, 1 shredded carrot, half a cup of the same salsa that we're using on the lentils. And to season everything, we're gonna use salt and pepper. The first thing you want to do is start cooking the lentils because that's what's going to take the longest. So you just mix the water, the lentils, and the half a cup of salsa on medium, and we're going to wait until it starts boiling, because once it starts boiling, we're going to lower the temperature and cover it. And the carrot, I actually didn't measure it. I just got like a 1 medium-sized carrot, and that's what I use. Carrot, you could start dicing your onions very finely, and I say 1 cup because you don't want it to overpower the salad either. So 1 cup of the red onion is enough. Then you're gonna move on to your red bell pepper, which I love to always get them in red. I don't know, I like the red color. It's so vibrant. And it's so nutritious too, because if you get the green one, it's not as nutritious as the yellow, orange, or the red one. Next, we're gonna dice our tomatoes. And just a quick tip, if you don't wanna, go through the whole cutting with the tomato like that, you could also use cherry tomatoes. Just make sure you cut them in half and it will work as well. Now all your veggies are diced, so one last ingredient that I forgot to mention is pumpkin seeds. I like them because it gives it a little crunch to the salad. It's been about 10 minutes since we put our lentils on low heat, and we're checking to see if the water has been absorbed, and as you can see, it's still not done yet, so we're just covering it and cooking it a little bit more. While the lentils are still cooking, we're gonna season our veggies. So as you can see here, I'm putting that lemon juice. I'm gonna add salt and pepper and also the half a cup of the salsa. And you just mix everything together, and do try it because the salt and pepper is to taste. So if you want more salt or pepper, you could add more. And we are done with our veggies. So now back to the lentils. The water has been absorbed, so it's cooked, it's ready. And we're just gonna let it cool for now. And if you're in a rush and you want the lentils to cool down faster, just spread them on a baking sheet. And once your lentils are cold, you are going to mix them with the veggies, and we're gonna cover them and put them in the fridge for 30 minutes so that all the flavors could mix together. And once the salad is cold, it is just ready to be devoured. I love to eat it with a grilled chicken breast when we go to the pool. I hope you guys liked the video. If you want to recreate the recipe, I'm going to leave all the information below. And I hope you're having a nice day. Till next time. Bye.